I'm gonna show you 3 immediate signs that a girl likes you so you don't end up finding out that she liked you later, but now it's too late because she's fucking gone, nigga. This is Jen with SeductionUnleashed.com, help you unleash your best with women and beyond. And if it's your first time to this channel and you're interested in dating, relationships, self-improvement, and motivational content, start now by hitting that subscribe and bell notification so you don't miss any updates, bro. Sign number 1, when she grooms or touches herself in any kind of way. You ever seen in a movie when a girl likes a guy and then they make the bitch giggle and go, and she touches her fucking hair like that? Guess what? That shit is also reality. That shit happens in real life and it's absolutely true. Oftentimes if you say some funny shit or you say something that's, you know, just gets her emotions to spike, you'll notice that she'll laugh and then fix her hair. Any type of grooming, like touching her hair or, you know, adjusting anything like her outfit or anything like that, all of those kinds of signs point to nerves and anxiety, which is a good sign that she's feeling something at that moment, bro. Number 2, if she asks you a lot of questions. Here's the thing, girls, they're not gonna go up to you, man. They're not gonna say, yo, you look sexy, bro. What the fuck is your name? And let's be honest, you know, when it comes to, say, dating skills or seduction skills, chicks don't really have any. This isn't really their fault. It just seems to be nature, and maybe it is a little bit their fault too. For a girl, her skills tend to be to give you opportunities for you to use your skills. So she'll do this in the form of asking questions, asking for directions, asking for the time. You should especially notice if it's questions that definitely don't have to be asked to you. Like, she could have asked anybody around, but she asked you. During little moments like that, you need to be ready to go for the kill. Now, in that moment though, you may not even be ready because, you know, it's not the usual for a girl to approach you. You may be caught off guard, and if that happens, it's okay. But this is what this video is for, so that the next time you can make a move, bro. Number 3, if she touches you in any kind of fucking way, period, at all. Any girl, especially a pretty girl, because a pretty girl is gonna have so many guys after her that she's not just going to randomly touch you unless it's for a reason. One of the first girls that I ever dated, she would literally pull on my fucking shirt. That was like one of the first signs, because I was basically shit and I was talking to everybody, and that made her basically into me. But since girls have zero skills whatsoever, that's like their way of basically hitting on you. They basically, really, it's like an assault charge, because I could never pull on a bitch's blouse. Imagine me just going up to a girl and like pulling on her fucking blouse. I would just get hit with an assault charge. But when girls do this type of shit, it's because they have nerves and they want to talk to you, but they are like autistic when it comes to actually getting guys. So they're gonna do little things like this. They might even do little annoying shit like knocking your fucking hat off. If a girl ever takes your hat, tell the bitch to never take your hat again, because I fucking hate that shit. I just want all the girls seeing this right now to know, don't ever touch my fucking hat. Bitch, don't touch my hat. Furthermore, any kind of signs, period, always be on the lookout. Always look at their eyes too, because when a girl's eyes light up and she's doing little things like asking you unnecessary questions or touching you in any kind of way, be ready, bro. At that moment, go for the kill. Quick bonus tip, even though I know this video is dedicated to signs of her being interested in you, as a man, naturally, as a woman, they're gonna be passive by nature. You have to always be ready to make a move first. So even though these are signs for her being interested in you, always be ready to go for a girl, regardless of if she's interested in you or not. Because ultimately, you know, when you first see someone, all you have to go by is their looks. And if you're not very good looking, you can't rely on that. Luckily, nature's on your side, because women are very energetic by nature. So this means even if you're not great looking, and even if initially they don't have great signs towards you, you can still turn that around. So if you enjoyed that kick-ass video and you want to see more on dating, relationships, self-improvement, and motivational content, click that subscribe and bell notification right there so you don't miss any updates, bro. And so you join that Unleash notification gang. So with that being said, gentlemen, unleash your best, and remember, until next time, confidence is bred by competence. Peace.